Hey, what's up, guys? I hope all of you are doing absolutely great on this Friday night. I'm here to provide you guys a quick update on BTC USD, and I must say, nothing has really changed compared to previous update of the price. We're still lingering in this demand zone right now. If we zoom in on the 15 minutes, it's still not clear that if we have reached wave 5, we know for certain that this is wave 3, wave 4 here, the correction, and wave 5 should be ending very soon, creating the wave C of the correction A, B, C, D, E that we have been waiting for. For instance, a tool that I sometimes use is this sort of RSI indicator just for some extra confluence to show that if price is heavily overbought or oversold combined with other things in your analysis, for example this massive demand zone and the fact that it's lingering on this trend line, actually breaking a little bit through it, but that doesn't matter. So yes, the indicator also tells us that we are heavily overbought, actually extremely overbought, so we should be able to see a reaction upcoming weekend from this demand zone. I think it's very unlikely, but yet, as I told you guys, price could break through here and we could see other levels around this level of 19,000 somewhere here. I will give an update if that happens, but as I said, it's extremely unlikely if you ask me. So that's what we've been waiting for, really, just a response from this demand zone right here so that we can see the ending of wave 5. Now some of you might ask if you forecast that we're going to see a bullish up move towards wave D of correction A, B, C, D, E, could you trade it? Well, I certainly do not recommend it, but of course for the people who are willing to take the risk, I would suggest that as soon as price crosses through correction wave 4 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is that you could look for longs. Sure, it's not, like I said, it's not something I would definitely recommend, but obviously if you're willing to take the risk, and obviously you will get a lot of reward for that. It should be a move of around, let's see, I think it's like a 10%, 18% actually. So what I would suggest for the people willing to take a risk, and I cannot repeat myself, personally I wouldn't do this, but you could look for price to impulse through the yellow line, correct a little bit to the downside, and then look on even a lower time frame for some fitting price action to take the longs all the way up to the trend line. That is what I can suggest you. For others, simply wait for the ending of wave E and then start to look for longs. And like I said, wave E could end on the 50% Fibonacci, but it could also end on the trend line. But that is a worry for the future. Now we are simply going to wait what price is going to do in this demand zone and for the rest of the weekend until something happens, until we see this impulse through wave 4. You don't necessarily have to trade it, like I said, but for the people who are still waiting and sitting on their hands, it's a nice indication that this demand zone is strong enough for us to impulse all the way to correction D of correction pattern A, B, C, D, E. That's the update for today, guys. I hope you enjoy your lovely weekends, and I will be updating tomorrow for some changes in price action if needed. Take care, guys. Have a good one.